Hello everyone, today we are going to start chapter 16, that is playing with number. By the name this is only the play of the numbers and you will enjoy this game. So at first we are doing the number in the journal form. So if you are having a number like I'm having a number 48, we can write it 40 plus 8. We can also write it 4 into 10 plus 8. If instead of A I write 8 and instead of B I write B, we can write it B multiplied to 10 plus A, that can be written as BA. Like 48 can be written as 4 into 10 plus 8, right? So what is the journal form? This is the journal form that you can write a number in expanded form, right? So you can write the 3-digit number also. If you have a number like 123, let me take one example of 123. So it is 100 plus 20 plus 3, or you can write 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3. So instead of okay, let me write here 423, then it will be 400 and it will be 4 multiplied to 100, right? So let me take A as 3, B as 2 and C as 4. So it will be written as ABC. Okay, so let us come to the try these. Here you are having 25 to write in generalized form. So you can write 25 in the generalized form as 20 plus 5, and further on 20 can be written as 2 multiplied to 10 plus 5. This is the generalized form. Now let us write the generalized form of 73. This is 70 plus 3, right? It can also be written as 7 into 10 plus 3. This is the generalized form. Let us write the generalized form of 129. So 100 plus 20, that is 2 into 10 plus 9. This is the generalized form. 302 next we have given. This is 302. Okay, so how you can write it is 300 plus 2. So 3 into 100 plus 0 into 10, because 10 digit is not given, 0 is given instead of tens. In 302, this is 0. So 0 into 10 plus 2. Now come to question number 2. We have to write the usual form of 10 multiplied to 5 plus 6. So 10 5s is 50 plus 6, that is 56. So this is the usual form. So write the usual form, the second part. 100 into 7 plus 10 into 1 plus 8. So 100 into 7 is 700. 10 into 1 is 10 plus 8. So it is 708. Let us come to the last part here. We have to write the usual form. 100 into A plus 10 into C plus B. So how can you write this? This is B100 CB, right? So you can write B100 CB. So this is the form, usual form, BCB. Sorry, it was given A. I'm sorry. This is given A. So this is ACB. Okay, ACB. So this is a fun activity, students. Okay, you can play with your friends or your brother, sister. Choose a 2-digit number. Meenakshi and Sundaram were 2 friends. So Meenakshi told to Sundaram that you can imagine a number. He imagined 49. You can imagine any number. So let me imagine 32. Let us reverse the digits. It will become 23. Add them, you will get 55. Divide it by 11, you will get 5, and no remainder is there. This is the game. Okay, so check. The result would have been given by the Sundaram to choose the number shown. So if you choose 27, reverse the digit 72, and the sum will be 99. If you divide it by 11, you will get 9 and no remainder. Okay, no remainder. Second part, choose 39, reverse the digit 93, add them, 9 and 3 12, 9 and 3 12 and 1 13. Divide it by 11, you will get 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, and no remainder. Okay, so there will be no remainder. So if you choose 64, add with it 46, you will get 110. If you divide it by 11, you will get 10 and no remainder. Okay, so you can do with 17 also. Check the results would have been if Sundaram chosen the number given below. The same you can do. Now check what the result would have been if Meenakshi has chosen the number shown below, and check. So it is also same. 132, when you reverse the digit 231, you will add these two and divide by 11, then you will get no remainder. Let us come to the next one. So let us start 16.4 point. There is a letter of the digits. So here you have given any letter with the plus or minus or the multiplication. You have to find out this letter. So let us start with the example. You can see here Q, 3 and 1. So what you add in 3 to get 1? 8 plus 3 is 11. So instead of Q, you can write 8. So what will you get now? 3, 1, 8, 1, 8, 3. Our answer, if 501, then the value of Q will be valid for this question. So 8 plus 3 is 11, carrying 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10, carrying 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 and 1, 5. Yes, it is 501. So you can say that Q equal to 8. Come to the next part. Here you can see in the example number 2 that you have given 3 same numbers and you will get the same digit at the unit place, and B will be any number. Okay, B is not certain, so B can be any number, but we have to choose a number when it is added 3 times the unit digit will be same. So yes, it is 5 only. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So B can be any number. A must be the same. So we can take A is 5 and B we got here 1. Now come to question number 3. You have to multiply with 3. The multiplication of the 3 with any number have the same digit. So 3, when you multiply it by 5, 3 5s are 15. You will get the same digit. Okay, so you can choose instead of A as 5. Okay, then what will be B? So B must be, let me rewrite it. You have given B 5, we choose here 3, B we have, and we have to multiply it. So the multiplication will be, here we have 5, we got 3 5s are 15, carrying 1, and if you multiply with B plus 1, it will be 7 and 5. So let me check. So 25 multiplied by 23 is 575. Okay, so you can get instead of these two B's as 2. We know that this is 25 multiplied by 23 is 575, right? So instead of B we will write 2. Let us come to exercise. This is 16.1 first question. You can see here. So what to add with 5 to get 2? This is 5 plus 7 is 12. So B can be any number after adding this. So 3. Instead of A we will write 7 and circle it out because this is our answer, or you can write with different pen. And if you add these two we will get B and 2. 7 plus 5 is 12 carrying 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 6. So B will be 6 because this is our answer also. B equal to 6 and A is 7. So this is the solution. Come to the next question. Here what should we add in 8 to get 3? This is 5, you know that. So instead of A I am writing 5, circle out because it is our one of the answer. Now add it with 98. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Yes, 3 we have given here and B we have given here. So we will add at first 4 and 9. 9 plus 4 is 13 and 1 in carry, right? 13 and 1 14. So this is B and this is C. So what is the value of A? Is 5, B is 4 and C is 1, right? So this is the solution of this question. Let us come to third question. When you have 1 A and A, so A must be the same number to get multiply, and in the answer unit digit must be the same. So you can choose here 5, right? So 5 5s are 25. If I choose 5, in the multiplication there must be 9. So 5 5s are 25 carrying 2. 5 1s are 5 and 2 is 7, but we have given 9. So we have to reject value 5. Okay, so let us check one more value. So 1 and so let us check. Maybe we can write here 6. So 6 are 36. It is also the same. A, right? So yes, you can choose 6. 6 are 36 carrying 3. 6 1 are 6 and 3 is 9. Yes, it is given 9. So value of A is 6. Let us come to question number 4. So what should we add in 7 to get here A? And so here you can see A and here is also A. So we will start from here. We should get 6. So what we will add with 1 carry at least, because here we have given 7, and if we take more we take any number with 7 less than 3, it will be 2. Okay, so if I take 2 here, 3 and 2 5, 1 in carry, so I will get 6. So I have to imagine this B to get this A as 2. So let me write here instead of A I am writing 2, 3, 6. Okay, 1 should be in carry. In that case we will get 6 here. So B 7 2. So how you can get 2 here? If you take B is 5, right? So 7 plus 5 is 12 carrying 1. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 6. So it will be okay. So what is the value of A here? 2. And what is the value of B here? 5. Okay. So let us come to the next question. Here we have question number 5. So we have to multiply a number to get here same, and here A, so it must be same, right? Okay, so you can write a 0 instead of B. So if I write a 0 instead of B, if we multiply it with 3, we have given C A, So it will be also 0. Yes, 3 zeros are 0. You can write here 0. So instead of A, if I write 5, then what it will become? It will become 5, 0, 3 multiplied by 3, and you will get a 0, and A same must be written here, and C can be any number. Now we get two values A and B. So C can be any number. 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, right? So C will be 1. So now at last we can write it 50 multiply by 3, that is 150. In that A is 5, B is 0, and C is 1. Okay, so you can check any other values also. So let us come to question number 6. So here is B and here is also B. So two possibilities can be there of 0 and 5, because 5 zeros are 0. In this case also you will get 0 on the both places, and 5 fives are 25. In this case you will get 5 on both places. So let us check. So instead of B, if we write here 0, it will be 0. 5 zeros are 0. And instead of A, if I write 5, then 5 fives are 25. You will get 5 here, and C can be any number. There is no condition with C. So let me rewrite it. So instead of B, I want to write 0, and instead of A, I want to write 5. It become 50 multiplied by 5, that is 0. 5 fives are 25. So you can see A is same both places 5, and B is same both places 0. So what are the value of A, B, C here? A must be 5, B must be 0, and there is no condition with C. This will be 5. Okay, so let us come to the next question. So let us come to the next question. This is question number 7. So you have given here B and all the values are same. So in which case you will get the same value here? So if I take instead of B as 4, so it will become 4, 4 and 4. So answer will be 444. So what we can write instead of A to get 44 here? 6 sevens are 44, 6 sevens are 42, 42 and 2 is 44. So let me rewrite. If instead of 4 I write 4, instead of B I write 4, and if I multiply it with 6, we will get 4, 4 and 4, right? So 6 4s are 24, carrying 2. So we have to imagine number that is the multiple of 6. If after doing plus 2 it is 44. So instead of A you can write 7, because 6 sevens are 42 and 2 is 44. So you can write here, let me rewrite. This is 7, 4, and if you multiply it by 6, 6 4s are 24, carrying 2, 6 sevens are 42 and 2 is 44. So value of A is 7, value of B is 4. So next question, you can see here, what should you add to get here 0? Obviously if you write 9, if you add 9 with 1 you will get 0, that is 10. So A1, I'm sorry, this is A1, 1. Instead of B I am writing 9, so that this B become 9. So this is 9 plus 1 is 10, carrying 1. So 1 plus 1 2 itself, and what should we add to 7? What should we add in 2 to get 9? That is 7. So instead of A we can write 7. So let me rewrite. So instead of A I am writing 7, and instead of B I am writing 90, then it is 90. Yes, 9 plus 1 is 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 1 9. This is 90. So A is 9, 7, sorry, A is 7 and B is 9. So last two questions you can do by yourself.